Okay, good afternoon. It is Monday, May 22nd. This is Neil Simple Futures, and nothing has changed. It's the same story. Market completely pinned sideways, waiting on new information. That's the same story, same levels, same everything. But here's our plan. All right, don't buy it up here. Don't. This is just this. You're at the top of a range that it doesn't make any sense. But what does look like it makes sense to me is, you see the weekly pivot is here at like 83 or something right there. Look just below that. This little spot right here, this consolidation. This is 4170, maybe 68, 70, 4170, okay? That's the spot. Because you're wrong. Anything below 64, look at this little string of single prints that's all the way down to 4136. So 64 is the absolute has to hold. If 64 doesn't hold, then it's 30 lower before you can say Bob's your uncle, and it'll be in the mid 30s, right? So 64 is like the backstop. You can buy them at 68 and 70, and it's good or it's not, but that's where I want them. And for the life of me, I don't understand why this thing's holding up this well in the front of this news is coming, but it is. So price is the only thing that matters. Price is still up here, so for now, as long as it's up here, then, and looks like it's holding for whatever reason, then that's got to be our plan. So that's the best I got for you. And then it's not. And then, in my opinion, it's really not going much higher, even if it does go higher, because look at all the way back into May, June of, back here last year. You got overhead at, what are we going to call that, 4250? Then this little looks like almost like a head and shoulders here, the two shoulders right there, 4250. Then right here in September, 42, basically 50. This top right there in February, it's like 4250. There's a ton of overhead just above. So, we don't want to be real greedy here, I guess is what I'm saying. Pull back into about 4170. It holds or it doesn't, but it lets you know really quick and in a hurry, like whether it's good. And if it's good, then we're reaching up there trying to see something in the maybe 42, almost 4250, like 4248, 42, close to 50, and that's it. That's our plan. Okay, hope it helps. You guys have let me know what you think too in the comments. It's so quiet right now. I mean, look, I meant to show you something. Check this out. You never see this. Almost, really, like almost never. This thing stayed inside the yellow right there all day today. That's the initial balance. The first 60 minutes of range, high to low. You live a long time to see that happen once or twice. That's a really rare occurrence. And it happened today. We went all the way through the entire session, never once breaching the first 60 minutes worth of range. Really quiet. I don't know. It's there was a day back here. What day was this? Tuesday of last week. It was doing the same kind of thing, but notice right at the end of the day, boom, broke down and came through. Right at the end of the day, came and breached the IB there. Notice it was inside all day until, boom, it did break. Today, it never, not one time did it make it outside that range. Really rare. But that's what we're dealing with right now. So, All right, that's it. That's what I got for you. Good trading. Be back with you, I guess, Wednesday for another update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me